Hello guys, in this video I'm going to present to you the prototype model of our Arduino based project. This model is basically inspired by home automation systems in which we use an Android software or application to change the room's lighting or fan speed, etc. So in this model we have used an Arduino Nano board, an HC05 Bluetooth module, RGB LED common anode, 1 kilo ohm resistors, a few jumper wires, and of course a breadboard. So how this model works is we connect this HC05 Bluetooth module to our Android device, and from that device we will try to make changes to our RGB LED in real time. I have already written the code, so now I'll just go ahead and connect my Arduino to the laptop. As you can see, the Arduino is now powered on and the Bluetooth module is working as well. The RGB LED is lit up with some buffer values for now, which we'll just have to ignore, and I'll upload the code. The code is compiling. And uploaded. So after uploading code, you can see that I have two disconnected wires here coming out of the Bluetooth module. These are the RX and TX of the HC05 module, which we'll have to connect to the TX and RX of our Arduino board respectively. So I'll just make the connections. Now the Bluetooth module should be available for connection to our Android device. So for that, I'll go into the Bluetooth list. You can see here BT list. See the first value HC05, that is the name of our Bluetooth module. Now it says BT connected. So now I'll just try to power off the LED by making some changes in this app. Okay, so the buffer values that were in the LED are now overridden, and now the LED should respond to our application. I'll slightly increase the red value and see if the changes are made. The red color is getting brighter on the LED. Next we'll go with the green. The green is there. And blue color. Oh, the green value wasn't turned off. The blue color is working fine as well. We can also make combinations of these colors. The green and blue will give a slightly purple shade. You won't be able to see it properly on the video camera, but the light is purple. And we can also use this color palette to make changes to this RGB. As you can see, the colors are swiftly changing according to where my finger is on the palette. So as I said earlier, this is just a prototype model of our project. We will work on it to provide voice support so that we can make changes in this LED by giving some voice commands in this application. We'll also connect a Bluetooth and a DC motor to this board so that we can also alter its speed and turn it off or on through this application only. So that is all for now. Thank you.